Hello friends, today we are going to learn about CSS. So what is the CSS? So CSS basically called cascading style sheet, which is used for designing web pages. Before you learn CSS, you have to little bit idea about HTML. If you don't know anything about HTML, you can go to my website, which is developersnation.co.in, where you find the tutorial about HTML, which is very basic and easy to learn, and you can get some basic idea of HTML, then you can start CSS. Okay, CSS tutorial I'm going to give you a brief and the best way to learn the CSS basics. Using this tutorial you can analyze any web page and you can understand any web page. You see the source code and you can understand what is HTML, then what is CSS. So let's see how we use CSS in our web page. So basically there are 4 different types we can use CSS in our web page. So first is inline style, second is internal, third is external, and fourth is import command. I am going to teach you external style sheet, which is best way for learn, and every developer will prefer the external style sheet. So let's see the structure of CSS. So here is the structure, is called selector, then opening curly braces, property, colon, value, semicolon, then use the closing curly braces. Then this is the structure. I am going to define these things on using example. Div, opening curly braces, color, colon, red, semicolon, margin, colon, 20 pixel, semicolon, then closing curly braces. In this example, the div is selector, then color is the property, and red is the value which is given. So we use the link tag to include our CSS in our HTML page. The link tag going to in head tag, which is use our CSS document. It's good practice to keep the CSS style sheet as a standalone document. So we are going to make first HTML, then CSS documents. So first we are creating the HTML document. So let's start. First we write HTML, then head tag. We include the CSS in head tag, so we are creating the link tag. Then here is the ref, then style sheet, then type text /CSS, hyperlink, which is main.css. Main.css is our CSS document where we put our CSS code. Then close the head tag. We are creating the div element, which is store our the text information. So the text I am going to write this is my first CSS code, then closing the div tag, then closing the HTML tag. Then we are creating the CSS document. So here you notice that I am going to the make.html format for HTML document, and I am going to make .css for my CSS document. Okay, div, here is the div, then I am going to opening curly braces, then color, then red. This is div is the selector, color is the property, then red is the value. Okay, so whatever we put on our div element on HTML document its color going to become red. Then let's see the output. So this is the intro of CSS. If you want more tutorial on CSS, then click like and share my tutorial. And on the if we cover the HTML and CSS, then we are going to make a mini project of CSS. It's quite informative, and we can learn more about CSS and HTML using this mini project. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Share and like, and please subscribe my channel guys. Thank you.